How to make Italian Zeppole cake? Zeppole is a traditional Italian pastry that is often enjoyed during the holiday season. These sweet, fried dough balls are typically served with a dusting of powdered sugar or a drizzle of ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups water, ½ cup unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, vegetable oil, for frying, powdered sugar, for dusting. Instructions. In a medium saucepan, combine the water, butter, sugar, and salt. Bring to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once the butter has melted and the mixture has come to a boil, remo. Add the flour to the pot and stir vigorously until a smooth dough forms. Return the pot to low heat and continue to stir for 1 to 2 minutes, until the dough pulls away from the sides of the pot. Remove the pot from heat and let the dough cool for a few minutes. Once the dough has cooled slightly, add the eggs one at a time, stirring vigorously after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract until well combined. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil has reached 350 degrees Fahrenheit, use a small scoop or spoon to drop a tablespoon-sized portion of dough into the hot oil. Fry the dough. Use a slotted spoon to remove the zeppole from the oil and transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Dust the zeppole with powdered sugar and serve immediately. Tips. Be sure to use a deep pot for frying to prevent hot oil from splattering. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature of the oil and adjust the heat as needed to maintain a steady temperature. Don't overcrowd the pot when frying the zeppole, as this can cause the temperature of the oil to drop and result in greasy, undercooked zeppole. While the basic recipe for zeppole is simple, there are many variations that you can try to create your own unique version of this classic Italian pastry. For example, you can add lemon or If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try stuffing the zeppole with a sweet filling, such as Nutella or ricotta. To do this, simply use a pastry bag or spoon to fill the center of the. Another fun way to serve zeppole is to create a zeppole tower. To do this, simply stack the fried dough balls on top of each other to create a pyramid-like shape. You can then dust the tower. In addition to being a delicious dessert, zeppole is also a beloved Italian tradition with a rich history. In Italy, zeppole are often eaten during the feast of Saint Joseph, which takes place